Hey guys, it's Fern here, and I want to show you how you can make your DSLR footage look from this to this. That looks much better, doesn't it? Alright, now I'm going to flip back to the original and walk you step by step on how to achieve a look similar to this. Right now I'm just shooting in auto mode on my camera with no adjustments to my lighting, my surroundings, or my equipment. And I'm going to show you guys how you go from auto to having a more professional look to your shots. So one of the first steps I see amateur filmmakers making is using the camera audio instead of possibly an external microphone. What I'm using right now is a Samson G-Track compressor microphone, and I'm going to be recording my audio on that. You know, if you have better audio, it makes your whole entire production quality sound a lot better. So maybe look at investing into getting a microphone for your videos. So first off, I'm going to go and turn the ISO down. Notice that it makes my picture darker as I turn it down. ISO measures the sensitivity of your sensor. Turning the ISO down lowers the amount of light hitting the sensor, thus reducing the noise in your image for a more clear picture. Okay, next up we're going to change the f-stop. The lower the f-stop, the more open your lens is and the more light it lets in. The higher f-stop gives us a bigger depth of field and has more of your shot in focus, while the lower f-stop creates a more shallow depth of field that will separate me from my background a bit and give the shot a bit more focus. This is Tucker. He is my manual focus doll. I'm just going to get the focus right on Tucker. Okay, that's perfect. Then I flip it over to manual. And now it's set, so I don't have to worry about it jumping around. Okay, so next we're going to take a look at the white balance. The function of white balance is to get rid of unnatural color cast, to make the whites in the photo look like whites in real life. The easiest way to do that on my Canon DSLR is to take a picture of something white and then go into your settings and select the custom white balance function. This will make all your colors look natural without further color grading. So I'm gonna make that adjustment right now. I'm just gonna use this sheet of paper towel. Okay, so now that I set the custom white balance, the image looks a lot better. My skin actually looks like how it should in real life, and everything is the correct tone. So that's a pretty big improvement from what we just had going on. Okay, so lastly, after you got all your settings in place and your lighting looks a little bit better, you're gonna want to take your footage into post and do some color grading, you know, maybe mess with the contrast, the shadows, the highlights, or you could just throw a custom LUT over it, and I'll let you know which one I'm using right now in Premiere Pro, which is my editing software, and it'll help your footage look a lot more cinematic or give you that, you know, dramatic, natural, vivid look. Whatever you're going for in your shot, in post is where you give it that look. And that's all my tips for improving your DSLR camera shots. I hope this video can help some of you at home. And if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, well, go watch something else. Okay, peace out.